Hi, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, we are here largest in the world today. Statue of Unity. The Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Statue of Unity, Gujarat, India. Wonders of modern India. Statue of Unity, 182 meters height, world's largest statue. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and an adherent of Mahatma Gandhi during the nonviolent Indian independence movement. We begin the tour of main statue view Unity complex. Enter, you can view Narmada river and gyms of Sardar Sarovar Dam. Long pathway leads the island which statue stand. Moving up the escalators, we come up to foot of the statue. From here we scale height and size of the statue. From we can take right up to viewing gallery situated in the height 152 meter. Viewing gallery at the chest level of statue. Superfast lift take you just 30 seconds. From gallery you can have a spectacular view of Sardar Sarovar Dam and surrounding forest. There is a museum in the pedestrian portion of Statue of Unity. It contains museum dedicated to the life of Sardar Patel. There is a museum in the pedestrian portion of Statue of Unity. It contains museum dedicated to the life of Sardar Patel. Through visuals, audios, people can discover the life of this remarkable man. Within the complex wall of Unity, it has built soil collected from the village 1.6 lakh villages across the nation. It symbolizes India's unity. We spent 3 hours in gallery. Then we had lunch at food court. Followed by bus tour. Beyond the main complex statue view there are many other great attractions you explore. Beyond the main complex statue view there are many other great attractions you explore. After sunset complex comes a live lights and sound show with laser lights. Statue of Unity, 182 meters height, world's largest statue. This comparison with world largest statue. This comparison with world largest statue. This makes the 182 meters height Statue of Unity tallest in the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.